Hey guys, so today, as you can see from the title down below, I'm going to be filming a knotless box braid tutorial. It was kind of hard to find hair that matched my hair, but I found some of this Xpressions ultra braid, whatever, I don't know, but it's pre-stretched, so that means you don't have to do the stretching stuff yourself. And I was not looking at the camera before, but now I am. The only thing is it gets really thin at the ends, but I can show you how to deal with that later. This is gonna be an easy tutorial. It's gonna be like, everyone could do it, you could do it yourself. The back of your hair might not look as cute because you're doing it yourself, but it's gonna be such an easy tutorial that you're gonna be a professional doing it yourself, and your hair is gonna look so cute in general. So what I'm gonna do is skip to the video because I know everyone has short attention spans nowadays and no one wants to hear nobody talking. So I'm not gonna show you how I do the back because, well, like I said, the back is hard. And I need full mirror everything in sight for myself. But I'll come back to you when I have, the back of my hair done, and I'll show you how I do the front and sides. See you in 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is done. What happened was I got sick the day after I braided my hair, so I couldn't film. And then, life happened and I forgot to film. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how I do my braids with this side of my head. I'm just gonna redo the top 3 because my hair is real old. 3 weeks to be exact. No, 4 weeks to be exact, I believe. So yeah, this time my hair has been holding up after 4 weeks. It's not that bad, but I'm gonna take it out because, after 1 month, you gotta switch it up, gotta do new things. But yeah, so I'm gonna just do the top 3 for you to show you exactly how to do it. But this is just a pattern I use to braid my hair. So I stack it like a brick so that all the braids can lay in between each other braid, if that makes any sense. Okay, so first things first, when you're doing these braids, since it's not gonna have a knot at the top, you're gonna have to separate sections of your hair so that you can braid it in, and it's easier than trying to separate it while you're braiding because, it's better to be prepared. So I separate sections about this large. Yeah. And then I just place them around so I can grab them easily. They can honestly be different sizes, it doesn't really matter. Okay, next step is gonna be parting the section that I'm braiding. So I'm gonna make sure I keep the brick pattern and part, not where the other part is, but part in between so the braid can lay in between. So let me show you how I do that. Let me just get my mirror so I can see. Okay, so I see the braid is here and the part is here. So I'm gonna make my new part probably right here. Sorry if I have some flakes, just the way life goes sometimes. And then I'm going to put this section behind me and just wrap it around another braid or something and throw that behind me. All right, so once everything's sectioned, you're gonna start off your braid by just doing a normal, regular braid with your hair. So you're gonna take 3 pieces, of course, and just braid it like normal. So I'm just gonna go 1 crossover, 2 crossover, 3 crossover. Honestly, you can do 2, but I just feel how I want it to be, I don't know. Okay, and then you're gonna attach it to the back of the braid and make sure one's on the end and one's attached to the middle. And then you're gonna continue braiding as normal. Oh no, I added a piece. Okay, again, I'm gonna show you how to attach. You're gonna take the piece of hair, put it behind the braid, attach it to the middle and the far end, and then cross over the other end over it so that it doesn't slip out, and continue braiding. So what you're gonna make sure to do though is make sure it doesn't rotate when you're doing this. I hope the camera is catching all this, honestly. and then you're just gonna braid down. All right, and then I'm probably gonna add another piece so it can get longer. So this is how, even if you have hair that's kind of short, you can make it appear longer because you're just adding pieces. You can add them later on to have the longer length. So I'm doing it a little differently this time. You can do it on the other side as well. So I'm adding the hair behind the braid to this far end and the middle. You're gonna make sure you cross the opposite end with the hair not added to it over that to secure it. And then just continue braiding downwards. As you can see, it seamlessly just looks like a normal braid. That braid is done. I'm gonna show you how to do it one more time just for the people who need a little bit extra help. So again, you're gonna start your braid off as a regular braid, separate it into 3, and make sure this is really tight because you want it to be tight. So you're gonna pull it tight, go over it once and then twice, and then you're gonna grab a piece of hair that you pre-separated, attach it to the back of your braid, one on the end, one in the middle, and the one that's not attached, you're gonna cross over. You're just gonna braid a little bit further down. So for this one, it's pretty thick, so I'm not gonna add a hair yet. And then I'm gonna add another one now. So I'm gonna take a piece, attach it to the back, make sure it's on the end and in the middle. The one that is not have the extension attached to it, you're gonna cross it over those ones and then braid over top. It's really easy, really simple. Beginners can do it. Start in the back, so if you do mess up, you can just hide it and then you'll be better once you get to the front, because that's what I did. Okay guys, so I hope my tutorial helped you learn how to do it. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Like I said before, you should start from the back. It's gonna help you out a whole lot. Once you're done braiding your hair, you'll notice your braids are pretty stiff at first. What you gotta do is dip it into boiling hot water a couple times and then dry it off with a towel, and your braids are gonna become way more movable and it's gonna look all flowy and cute. But like I said before, I did braid my hair a month ago, so I did that method already. I might insert a clip of someone doing it now. If you didn't see a clip, that means I got too lazy, but you can search it up on YouTube. There's millions of videos of girls dipping the hair, but it's really self-explanatory. You boil some water, you dip your hair in it, and you take it out, and you get sealed ends and more movable hair. But yeah, so that was it for my tutorial. I hope it honestly helped you guys. I feel like I explained it really well. I feel like a lot of the videos on YouTube just braid it looking real easy, and you're like, what? How do you do that? But I hope like mine actually showed you how to do it, hopefully, maybe. But yeah, so that was the end of my video, and I will see you in my next one.